Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to create a very beautiful effect called the whole transition. So all you have to do is to go to this website called higgsfield.ai. So higgsfield.ai allows you to create mind-blowing visual effects all with the push of a button with AI. So all you have to do is to sign up on this website, then go to visual effects, click on this whole transition. Then you can actually see a sample of how the whole transition is. This is the first one, and the camera pans forward into a different image at the back. So all you have to do is to click on generate, and then you should upload two images here, because since it's a transition you actually require two images, one for the first one and then the other image for the last image in between, which comes after the transition. So you can describe your scene here and then click on the model you love to use here. You can also change your duration and resolution depending on what you want to do. You can This model would work best for this particular transition, but if you do not want it, you can actually switch to a different model depending on your preference, and click on generate. And after a few minutes, 15 to 20 minutes, your video should be ready for download, and you can watch it here and before downloading it. So this is a video I created using a different effect, but Higgsfield AI is doing great, marvelous job with this. So all you have to do is now download it and include it to your project, and you have a very good VFX video on your hands. So that's it guys. Let me know what you guys think about this particular video, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Do have a great day. Please subscribe to my channel. We're actively trying to grow, and if you have any question, problem, or issue concerning this particular AI or any other AI, please do well to reach out, and I'll do my best to actually respond. Thank you very much, and do have a great day guys. Drink a lot of water.